Hello kids, how are you? So I hope you are all good. So we are back on your favorite learning platform going forward and we are going to study from Feather Cap People and Places. This is chapter number 18, Safety Rules. So there are some safety rules which have to be followed to avoid some accidents. कुछ सेफ्टी रूल्स ऐसे हैं जो हमें हमेशा फॉलो करने चाहिए ताकि एक्सीडेंट्स ना हो किसी के भी साथ. In this chapter, we are going to study some safety rules which you should follow while walking on the road. ऐसे safety rules जब आप road पे चलते हो तब follow करने चाहिए. Some when you are waiting for the vehicle, or these are some little things which you should adopt in your daily life. कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें जो आपको सीखनी चाहिए, आपको adopt करनी चाहिए अपनी daily life में, so that you can avoid the accidents. So we are going to study that. I hope you are all ready with your books and pencils. So let's start now. Safety rules help us to avoid accidents. So safety rules जब हम follow करते हैं ये basically क्यों बनाए जाते हैं? To avoid accidents, so that accidents don't happen. We can be safe and take care of ourselves by some following safety rules. So हम अपना ध्यान रख सकते हैं और अपना सेफ रह सकते हैं और अपना ध्यान रख सकते हैं कैसे? इन सेफ्टी रूल्स को फॉलो करके. सो फर्स्ट इज सेफ्टी ऑन द रोड. टू बी सेफ ऑन द रोड वी मस्ट फॉलो सम रूल. अब रोड के ऊपर इतना ट्रैफिक होता है, देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रैफिक ऑन द रोड, सो वी कैन नॉट just run here and there or cross the road. So we have to follow some safety rules. What are they? Let's study them. First, we must always walk on the footpath. So हमें हमेशा footpath पे ही चलना चाहिए. We should never cross the road from in between. We must cross footpath. Sorry, that is the footpath. I got confused. We must cross the road only at zebra crossing. So हमें हमेशा zebra crossing से road cross करनी चाहिए और footpath पे ही चलना चाहिए. We must wait for the crossing signal to show green. और while crossing the road, you should always wait for the signal to turn green. Now before crossing, we must first look right, then left, and then right again. We must cross if no vehicle is coming. So cross करने से पहले हमेशा look right, then look left, and then again look right to check if that no vehicle is coming, and if there any vehicle is coming, so you should stop there only. Okay. Now we must never run on the road. और road पे कभी भी भागना नहीं चाहिए, otherwise you can hurt yourself. Zebra crossings are black and white stripes on the road, just like the stripes of a zebra. So zebra crossing जो है white और black color की stripes होती है road पे, they are basically like the stripes of the zebra. So this is how it looks like. Now safety while playing. अब रोड की सेफ्टी तो हो गई, खेलते वक्त सेफ्टी क्या क्या ध्यान रखना चाहिए? When we are playing with our friends in the park or playground, we must not fight and push each other. So कभी भी जब अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ आप खेल रहे होते हो इन अ पार्क और अ प्लेग्राउंड, यू शुड नेवर पुश ईच अदर. एक दूसरे को धक्का नहीं मारना चाहिए. वी शुड नॉट फाइट, लड़ना भी नहीं चाहिए. Now we must not play near water or on the road. So whenever you are near the water, अगर कोई पानी है साइड में आपके आसपास है, उसके आसपास मत खेलो. Otherwise you can slip or you can splash water on yourself. और रोड पे भी नहीं खेलना चाहिए. नहीं, रोड के आसपास भी नहीं खेलना चाहिए. At home we must not play with sharp objects or matchboxes. So घर पे भी whenever you in the house, what you should not do, कभी भी sharp objects से, कोई भी sharp, it can be a pen, pencil, scissor or a pin, so you should not play with them. It can hurt you. And you should not use matchbox के साथ भी कभी भी खेलना नहीं चाहिए. Now safety while traveling in a vehicle. अब जब व्हीकल में ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं तब क्या ध्यान रखना चाहिए? Let's see. We must wait for the bus standing in a queue. So हमें अगर if you are waiting for the bus, you should always stand in a queue, never push each other, never rush. We must not try to get into or out of a moving vehicle. So if the vehicle is moving, you should not try to get out of it or get into it. अगर vehicle move कर रहा है तो उसमें से चढ़ना नहीं चाहिए और उतरना भी नहीं चाहिए, otherwise it can cause accident. We must not lean out of a moving bus or a car. If the bus or car is moving, अगर कार और बस मूव कर रही है, चल रही है, उससे लीन आउट नहीं करना चाहिए, मतलब बाहर नहीं निकलना चाहिए. और you should always never put your arms or head outside your moving vehicle. Now we must sit quietly, and if you are going somewhere, traveling in a vehicle, you should always sit quietly. So we have done the chapter. Now classroom activity, recite this poem traffic signals. So to learn the traffic signals, which traffic signal, which color shows what, let's recite this poem once. Stop says the green light, go says the stop says the red light, go says the green, wait says the yellow one till the light is green. So ये आपकी छोटी सी पोएम है जिसमें हमें पता लग रहा है कि रेड लाइट इज सेइंग अस टू स्टॉप, yellow light is saying us to wait, and your green light is saying you to go. So these are some symbols, these are the importance of the light कि हमें कौन सी light क्या basically बताती है. Red light says you to stop, go says the green. Green वाली कहती है now you can go, and for yellow one show that we have to wait. Now assess yourself, take the correct answer first. The red light says stop, go, wait. So we have just learned that the red light says you to stop. Now, second, the green light says dash. The green light says go, stop or wait. So the green light says go. We must always walk on the dash. So we must always walk on the footpath. Now fill in the blanks. So these are some words given here which you have to use in these blanks. First, safety rules help us to avoid dash. So safety rules help us to avoid accidents. ACCIDENTS. Now second, we must wait for the crossing signal to show dash, to show green. हमें crossing signal पे wait करना चाहिए for the light to turn green. Now we must not play on the dash, so we must not play on the road. We must wait for the bus standing in a dash. So we must wait for the bus standing in a queue. हमें हमेशा बस की wait करना चाहिए एक queue में खड़े होके. Queue is a line. Now we must sit dash. So we must sit quietly. Now next, write only 3 safety rules that we must follow. So you can write any 3 safety rules. I'm going to write first, we should never run on the road. Second, use footpath to cross the road. Use footpath to walk on road. Use footpath to walk on road. Now last, never play with sharp objects and matchboxes. Never play with sharp objects and matchboxes. So we have completed this exercise as well. So you can write any of the point. If you want to copy these only, so you can copy these. So we have completed the chapter. If you have any problem, you can rewatch the video. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you understood it well. Happy learning.